Picture this. Your phone listens, thinks, and acts without internet, answering texts, adjusting your thermostat, and reminding you of meetings, all while you sleep. This is AI agents meeting Edge AI, a powerful duo that's quietly transforming 2025. In this video, we'll unpack how these AI breakthroughs are already working for you and what's coming next. AI agents are smart helpers that complete tasks on your behalf. Ordering groceries, planning trips, writing emails. They've been called task-doing agents and could soon handle most of your online chores. Boncap.com, hbr.org, techstartups.com, economictimes.in, diatimes.com. Take Nina, who asked her AI agent to reorder her vitamin supply and send a birthday reminder for her mother. Her agent even booked delivery and updated her calendar. This is already happening. Ads are being automated with AI agents. Now add Edge AI, where AI runs right on your device like your phone, not in the cloud. That means faster responses, better privacy, and no internet needed. Explodingtopics.com, meetglimpse.com, techstartups.com. Imagine your phone sorting photos instantly, smartwatches analyzing your health, or cars avoiding accidents without sending data online. On-device AI means real-time help anywhere. These AI trends aren't just developer talk. They change how you work, relax, and plan your life. Faster tech, more privacy, less hassle. By the end of 2025, expect more AI agents that can initiate actions, and Edge AI that protects your data while speeding up daily tasks. GEO is already shaping AI answers in search, and soon devices will be delivering privacy-smart, instant help. Which of these AI breakthroughs excites you most? Tell me in the comments. Next video will deep dive into building your own AI agent using simple tools. Subscribe to AI for Everyday. Get your weekly guide into AI's everyday power.